Welcome all traders to their daily look ahead. This is where we take a look at gold, the dollar, and the mini NASDAQ to find out what types of trades we can take the following day. But before we dive into the charts, make sure to like and subscribe so that more people can enjoy this content. Good morning, everyone. Today's Tuesday, April 22nd, 2025. I'm doing the daily look ahead this morning for today, and we start off with the gold. So in the past, we had gold heading up, and it did hit our target, went to 3,500. I expect this to continue to move up. Now, gold is in what we call a parabolic move. So parabolic moves, they move quite aggressively to one side, and they do a very, very big extension, okay, which is outside the bounds of a regular fib. And these extensions, what happens is when they extend very far, very fast, like a rubber band, you pull it back, they pull back very far and very fast. And so we do expect this to happen with gold. So gold is on a rampage now, going higher each and every day, 3,500, a new high yesterday. And we expect this to continue to move up as well. So to continue to move up as well. Now, when it does decide to roll over, I'll let you know the signs to look for when that begins to take place if you're trading gold as a trade. Obviously, if you're collecting gold as a hedge against currency, devaluation, or anything like that, it's a total different ballgame. We're looking at this from a trading perspective only and not a collecting gold as a currency hedge position. So that's the look on gold. So again, we look for a continuation to the upside on every pullback. So when you're down here in the hour charts here, you're looking for this as a pullback and you're looking as a continuation up. So you're looking at your levels. We're getting close to a more significant pullback, kind of like what we had here before we took off. So this could do something like this. So we're looking at this as a trade again, and it could do something like this, then pull back further and then go up, or it could just go up from here. But generally speaking, you get an additional pullback, something like this. So an up, a down, and an up. And generally that's the way it works out for gold. Dixie, we had this kind of in a wedge and breaking down. It did push out of the wedge one more time and then roll back over. This is a significant move here when in this case, it's a index, pushes out, comes back into the wedge, breaks, and comes down. It's a definite move that is going to push to the downside. And that's what it did. Now, this is not unexpected. We expect dollar to move back even more so. So we expect, it's in a range now. So look for it to stay in this range today and eventually possibly break out of that range again like it did here and move to the downside, or just break the support level here and move to this downside target. So downside target again is about 96.72. And then I would look for a significant change in dollar. And this is probably where, when you're going to correlate dollar gold, this is the area on dollar that I would look for around 96.70, 96.60, somewhere down in here, maybe even 96. I would look for a change in gold to happen at that point, meaning that parabolic move to end. We're going to see something pretty significant coming up here soon. So keep your eyes out on dollar. Very important. Bitcoin, we had this heading up. It's still working on it, moving very slow. I expect this to possibly break out of this resistance zone. That's the resistance zone sitting right at it right now, about 88,638, and moving up higher. Now again, if we squeeze up here, we have several right there. We're looking for this one right here, about 92.5. So we're looking for it to go up to that level. Now, once it goes up to that level, we are going to be very cautious on the long side of Bitcoin. And it's going to have to break level to level because Bitcoin and gold are now kind of coming together and working together, going in the same direction versus Bitcoin following the indexes like it was. It's kind of separating because more and more people are looking at Bitcoin as a hedge as well. And so this could be going sideways here if it doesn't break through this resistance zone, or if it does break through, it's going to go to one of those top levels there, and we're going to watch it there. But I do not believe that Bitcoin continues to break new highs. I believe that Bitcoin stays within this range area right in here and probably pulls back. Something like this for the future. Probably pulls back and eventually rolls over and breaks this channel going up and goes for a new lower low. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. But as for today, I'm looking for Bitcoin to break out of this resistance here and have another up move on its way up to target of about 92.5. NASDAQ is just having a heck of a time. You know, a lot of things have come out, especially in the tech stocks. China coming out saying their AI chipset's going to be ready here soon. And so everything is just, you know, crashing on the tech stock range. But what we're looking for now is we had this breaking possibly out of this coming up to here, which is about the 19694 level, and then breaking down. Well, it's decided just to roll over here. And what we're looking for today is we're looking at this resistance zone here. So if we come up to that level, that resistance, so say we're pulling back here and we come up to here and it fails, we're going to be looking at a new low coming in right down there. Okay, I believe that we do hold resistance up here and that we do roll over and come lower. So I'm looking for an up and then a short on the NAS today. So that's the outlook on NAS. Dow has already done its retest up here. So we had this breaking possibly to the upside to a level, then down. But NAS came down, hit channel, pull back, and then drop and broke through, pull back, retest. That's a clear sign of a short. And it went short down to this level. Now, if we're pulling back here and we do this, so say we come over here and we, I don't know, pull back a little higher here, and then we roll over. If we come down to here, if we hold here, we have a chance of doing this, okay? If we break this level right here and hold below it, then this is what the outlook would be. It would be a break, a retest, and then short it for a break of the channel, okay? And that's what we'd be looking for on this setup. So this area right here, right at this zone here at 37,833 is a big area. If that breaks and holds below that, we are going lower. If it holds and breaks above and we break new highs and we start doing the pattern. So the pattern is this: we break up, okay, we pull back, we create a new higher low, a new higher high, and we start doing this, then we're going to go long, okay? And that's the layout that you're looking for. That's the kind of pattern you're looking for to decide whether you want to get into the pullbacks on long side or get in pullbacks on short side. So today I believe that we go up like we do on the NAS and we head down to this target of about 37,842. And if we go to that target then and hold it, we're going to go higher, okay? If we break that and hold below it and pull back, we're going to go lower. So that's the outlook on the Dow, and that's how we're viewing it for now. Usually I don't do yen on this, but I want to kind of look at this day because a significant break has happened. And so we have this break of the channel on dollar yen. And what we're going to be looking for on dollar yen is something like this. We're going to be looking to see if we get the pattern like this, pull back, and we're going to be looking to see if that holds, okay? So at some point, yen's going to go long on the daily, and if it holds, it's going to come down to this level of 134.66. Okay, so that's what we're looking for on yen, but carry trade in full swing now. But again, we're looking for at some point down in here a pullback, a hold at the channel, and then if it holds, we get the reversal signal, a move down 135. Okay, we'll just call it 135. And that's our outlook on yen. So just thought I'd throw that in there. A pretty significant break, nice pullback, a lot of good information here to take trades on. So wanted to share that with you. So this pretty much wraps up our daily look ahead. Hope you have a great day trading. If you want to come in and learn how to do it and do it on a daily basis or once a week or however you trade, come on in, hit the link below, join for free, check us out, see if it's for you. And that pretty much wraps it up for today. Take care, and we'll talk to you later. Bye now.